All right, so here's the simple truth. Chia seeds are tiny seeds packed with nutrients that can help with weight loss. They are high in fiber, which means they'll make you feel full and they'll help control your appetite. Here's how to drink chia seeds for weight loss. So first of all, you need to soak the chia seeds in water or another liquid. Use about 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and mix them with 1 cup of water. Let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The seeds will absorb in the water and turn into a gel-like substance. So once they're ready, you can drink them in different ways. You can add the soaked chia seeds to smoothies for extra nutrition, or mix them into a juice or coconut water for a refreshing drink. You can even add them to your yogurt or your oatmeal. All right, that's what I like to do. So basically, drinking chia seeds can help you stay hydrated, which is important when you're trying to lose weight. Just remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day too. Okay, that's very important. Make sure to start with small amounts, because many chia seeds can cause stomach discomfort. So enjoy your chia seed drink as a healthy addition to your diet, and combine it with regular exercise for best results.